Hey guys, welcome back. In an earlier video we talked about full count, which is when we use every count for our steps or taps or whatever. Today we are going to step away from the basic timing again, but this time by skipping every other count. And we're only going to step on the odd counts, so 1, 3, 5 and 7. This is called chord beat. The shine we're going to use to demonstrate the chord beat is very similar to the one we learned for the full count, so the tap and step. The only difference is that this time we're not going to do any taps. And the shine is called a slow pivot or chord beat pivot. Let's go. So when we start on 2, we have our basic step 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7. Then we're going to step forward with our right foot on 1 and simultaneously turn a quarter counterclockwise, so to the left. Then on 3 we're going to step our left foot in place and turn another quarter. 3. Then on 5, we're going to turn another quarter and step with our right foot to the back. And on 7, we are turning our last quarter and stepping left in place. And then we go back to our basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Forward in place, back in place. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Now we can do the same thing on 1, but then we're going to turn to the other side. So starting with the basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We go left forward, 1, right in place, 3, left to the back, 5, and right in place, 7. And back to basic, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Forward, in place, to the back, in place. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. And go. Five, 6, 7. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and go. And go. and 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, then don't forget to like and possibly subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Wietske Welte and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye!